In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize iMessage text by making it bold, italicized, or underlined on iOS 18. This neat feature can help your messages stand out, emphasize certain words, or just add a little flair to your conversations. So let's delve into the process and explore how you can enhance your iMessages with these stylish text effects. To begin, you'll want to start by either opening an existing conversation or creating a new one in your iMessage app. This is the first step, and it's crucial because you'll need a message thread to work within. Once you have your chat open, move on to composing the text you wish to send. Type in your message as you normally would. It's important to note that at this stage, we're just focusing on getting your thoughts down before applying any formatting. Now that your message is ready, the next step is to highlight the text you want to enhance. To do this, tap and hold on the section of text you've written. After a brief moment, you'll notice that a small menu will pop up with several options. In this context, you're going to use either the Select or Select All option. Selecting the text is crucial for the next steps where you'll apply your desired text effect. With your text selected, you'll want to look for the Text Effects button in the menu. This feature is relatively new and may take a second to spot if you're not accustomed to looking for it. Once found, give a quick tap to reveal a range of formatting options. Among these choices, you'll see options to make your text bold, italic, or underlined. It's as simple as deciding which style best suits the message you're trying to convey. After choosing the text style you prefer, review your message to ensure it looks just right. The benefit of these text effects is they can add clarity or emphasis in a fun and visually pleasing way. Once you're satisfied with how the message appears, the next step is to send it off as you usually would. Just tap that familiar blue Send button. And there you have it, you've successfully learnt how to apply text effects in iMessage on iOS 18. By following these straightforward steps, you can now personalize your messages with ease, making them more expressive and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy texting.